Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Blue Art Studio Gallery with a 14 by 14 inch canvas that I've double coated with Sherwin Willams Colors to Go Bridgeport Blue, which is so close to the primary, to the Prizm pour cerulean blue that I put a little bit of it on the corner and you can't tell the difference, so I might use it to stripe. I want to do some stripes. I want to do some dots before I do some stripes, so that's probably how this is going to go. We'll give it a shot and see what happens. I've got paint I got out of my tip. Yay. This is Fandango. I'm a Colourarte affiliate. I'm going to be using Colourarte Prizm pours and primary elements. This is looking like those are some big dots. I'm going to try the Royal Sapphire, which is a Prizm pour. I'm going to try and limit my color palette. I don't think that's going to happen, but I'll give it a shot. This is Indigo Violet. This is a Prizm pour. If I'd leave my dots a little further away from each other, I could put two more colors in between. That would be kind of neat. I'm going to use the Jasmine. Wait, no, I'm going to use the red-violet iridescent, red-violet vivid intense fluorescent. Get it right, I'm trying to do two things at once. And I'm loving those colors. I could probably be safe just sticking with those colors. Add a little bit more. I usually like to throw in an odd color once in a while. I think I'll try some of the cerulean blue. And I want to try some of the Chantilly lace with it. I really was going to just use my spatula to smear some colors, but I like doing the dots. They're very therapeutic. Now I had some black and I want some black again. But in the meantime, since I don't have black, I'll just use Snapdragon, which is nothing like black, honestly. It's a primary element. It's a wonderful primary element. So I'm trying to leave the extra space so I can add two more colors in there. I think I'm going to make gold, Mayan gold, one of them. And I might make orange the other one. Although that sounds kind of risky with the Snapdragon. Oh, my bottle tip is deciding to be less than cooperative. What I need is a pair of tweezers, and I have two and neither one of them are in evidence. Come on, tweezers, show yourselves. I found them! Yay. Well, let's hope I can get... Okay, be patient with me, please. It's time. Time to clean my tip out. And I'm going to make doubly sure by putting a skewer in there as well. Hopefully not over the bottle. That's making me think that I could get away with some sour lemon with orange crush in it. I don't know where all the paint chips are coming from. There's my next. So no matter what I get, oh, that was a lot. So no matter what I get, I can just keep adding more dots, or I can just add smears. I did actually clean my squeegee. I could probably start with that. I want a little bit more. The saffron. It looks like I'm going to have paint under my fingernails. And I'm just going to be belligerent and use, I think, the red violet. And because it's bright, the sour lemon. Alright, let's see how it goes. Kind of want some black and white in there, but I need the bottle of black to actually do that. Oh, I've got this black. I'm not sure what this is, but it has a needle tip on it. And it was working last time I tried it. Not very well now, though. At all. We have 3 dots. Come on out. One more. Come on. Okay, that's not happening. It's got a little needle that goes into its tip. Let's do the Chantilly lace. Alright, cross your fingers we get something interesting. I have learned to take the paint off my tool. And instead of trying to fix that by swiping it with a spatula, I'm going to try and fix it by adding another row of colors to clean up the mess. That was the jasmine. These often look very cool, even if you're not expecting to like it, the little messy bits. It sort of has an accumulative effect. Question is, what am I going to put there? I kind of like the Snapdragon. That was jasmine. Thinking I like the cerulean blue. I'm not sure how that's going to work. But so far, even when I don't think things are going to work, I can usually rescue them. That's not one of them, though. I've got to keep moving my bottles out of the way. Take that paint chip off before I start. Sorry about my head. I'm really liking the saffron with this. Saffron and jasmine are a stellar combination. But I gotta keep my spatula clean. And find a place to put the residuals. I'm thinking black and white, but I don't really have the black. I suppose I could take a risk. That's a big risk. Never mind. I might actually like that. Putting some black in seems to be not a bad idea. Adding the purple to it was not part of my plan though. Still want some black and white. It's got to be here. I found it. I wonder if I could use the Chantilly lace. This is Atelier black. I gotta put some Meaden black in a smaller container with a tip that's not cut open. I'm loving the Bridgeport Blue. So that was different. I think more jasmine. Kind of not hating that. I'd like to do something in here, but I think it could be dots, which I've been talking about but not doing much anyway. Might have done a few. That was the jasmine again. If I don't mess with the dots, they have a texture when they dry. They're kind of puffy, which is neat. What else do I need to do? Something in here, I think. I think we'll bring that cerulean blue right back into the picture. Because I can. I'm going to gold dot in here because I've got a little mess to clean up. Haven't quite figured out how to deal with that. Ooh, I like that. Ha! But right now, I don't mind the fact that the gold dots look pretty awesome. more jasmine. I think more Chantilly lace. I've got 3 minutes to tell you guys whatever I'm going to tell you, and I think that's going to be Princeton Art Tool Catalyst Spatula. It's going to pull that tip out so there's not a little blob on the end, which I probably could have left. Not saying I couldn't. What's that? Something I got out. Cool. So it's different. It's not keeping me from wanting to put some more Chantilly lace right in the black and seeing if I can pull it out. Well, if I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it over here. I kind of think the black is already dried. Pick a swipe card, any swipe card. I don't mind that. That's kind of cool. But I really do believe that the black had already dried. Yep, I'm not unhappy. I like it. Kind of want a little bit more green. I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I hope you come again. I post at 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can find my tomorrow's video usually on the community board. If you have questions, feel free to ask. I encourage questions. I'll be happy to help you if I can. I'm not sure that was a good mark. But I am sure that I love the drama of the jasmine in the Fandango, and that's not bad. I kind of want a striped line. Right there. So, I guess that's successful because I think I like it. I love you guys, and I'm going to shimmer this at you if I can. I kind of wonder if there's something I should be cleaning up over here. Like, that'll be dry in no time. It's probably already dry. Alright, I love you guys. I'll see you in on. It'll look similar but not the same. Come again. There we go. Now I got what I wanted. Oh, and you're still here. Wow. I don't know if you'll still be here when I have a chance to shimmer this at you or not, but I'm going to try. It's pretty spectacular, actually. I like it. I hope I learn how to do this better and better. That's really off-center. Alright, you guys take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Now I love you guys. Check the link tree for all my stuff. And make sure you don't forget to look for the Colourarte coupon code. It's between 20 and 30%. The Pixel Paint Design